shit when you
I felt like Cap.
Yeah.
I felt like Cap.
No, for real. What's going on right
I felt like Cap. In heaven it happy hour. Presidential rollie, I declare. I don't care what they doing over there. Rob my dreads and a ponytail. I thumb through the cash right in front of folks. AK on the yacht, that's my banana boat. South Florida for the winter, I got sunburn. Half you niggas with some suckers in the lunchroom. I don't care about the tats on your faces. Them bitches cost $15. I don't care about the pills that you take.
Come on, let me get up.
Them bitches cost $15. I'm a rich nigga, I take rich drugs. Smoking gas and drinking lean in a strip club. Got too many kids to play with you niggas. I'm lost for words, nothing to say to you niggas. I got a Maybach, a Chevelle, a drop, had a Wraith, a Audi Infinity. Got a tour bus as long as a fucking centipede. Got a Panamera, a dually, and a sling cap. And I'm capping, I'm capping, I'm capping.
Back on the tow truck, y'all. Goddamn, I just can't win. I can't fucking win. Look at this shit. It's like it's cursed, man. It's good. Low life, man. Back to square one. Yeah, so I just got tagged back to the house. What happened was, I don't know what the fuck happened. I was taking it to the shop so they can fix the seal, and shit just dies on me. So I don't know. My homeboy's gonna come over here. We're gonna check to see if the spark plugs are getting a spark. And we're gonna check fuel pump. It's a new fuel pump, so it should be getting fuel. We're gonna check the fuel pump, make sure that we're getting, that the fuel is working and all that shit. And go from there. Hopefully it's something small. Hopefully. I'm gonna pray on it. Poor Tiffany. I just can't win, y'all. I can't win. I can't win. It's fucked up. Fucked up situation. Every mechanic that I'm calling, they're booked for fucking months, dude. Like, they're fucking doing big engine jobs and transmission jobs and shit. I already called. Called the ones on Island. Can't nobody fuck with me. And the place down the street, not down the street, but it's another place. They charge $100 an hour. $100 an hour. Fuck, bro. So this should take some days. That shit, like, add up quick. Quick as fuck. But okay, if you want to, man. Hey, if you want to. Hey, if you want to. It's a project call. It's a project for a reason. I just wish the project was over. But make sure you do something for me. Do one thing for me. Make sure you like my shit. Each like is $1. Help a nigga out. Nah, it's fine. Make sure you like my shit though. Subscribe, comment, and I'm out. Actually, I'm still here. Just kidding. This motherfucker wanna say hi, y'all. Whoa, motherfucker. He wants to say hi. Alright, y'all.
A sprinter just to play the fucking game. At nighttime, I turn that bitch to the day. Two cross the zone and they looking like, hey man. They looking at me like I'm paid, man. There's nothing much that I can say, man. Cause my actions speak louder than my fragrance. Yeah.